Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks about Microsoft presentation.
Not only Microsoft presentation, but we're also gonna teach you some tips and tricks about Microsoft Word. Let's begin.
Number 1. Morph Transition. Morph is a great tool to use to transition one slide to the next. Let's say we duplicate this slide. Click on the second slide. Transfer these two images from one side to other. After you transfer this both, go to the transition. Click the morph transition. Now you will see the transition from one slide to the next. When you're in presentation, that's the action will occur. Number 2. Design ideas. You can take a boring presentation and turn into something much better by using design ideas. It's available on the Home tab. Click on Design Ideas. PowerPoint takes text from a presentation and transforms it into different layouts. Choose one of the recommendations and it updates your slide. It's a great tool to enhance your PowerPoint presentation. Number 3. Picture Fill. It's really easy to add a picture to a shape. Go to the Insert tab and insert a shape, and I'm going to pick this circle. Go to the Change Outline to a different color and make it a wider line. Now, go to the Shape field. There's an option where you can pick a picture. I'll pick this dog and that adds a picture to the shape. Number 4. Edit Shape. If you've inserted the shape in your PowerPoint presentation, did you know that you can customize the shape even more? Once it's selected, you have an option here for Edit Shape and Edit Points. Click on any corner. Now you can drag and move the points to change the shape even further. When it's all done, click outside and you have a customized shape. Eyedropper. Eyedropper allows you to apply a specific color to multiple objects on your PowerPoint presentation. Let's select multiple objects by holding down the Control key. If you go to the Shape Format menu under Shape Fill, now I'm going to select this color of rectangle. It fills all those objects with that color. You can do the same thing with the shape outline. I'm going to select the color of the triangle, which is green. It applies that outline color to all objects I've selected. Number 6. Ink to Text. PowerPoint comes with a great drawing tool that you can convert ink to text or shapes. Just pick Draw from the menu, select a pen, and write some words on the screen. Now choose the lasso and select that area. Click the Ink to Text button. That converts it to text. Now the key is make sure you turn off the draw tool and you can select this text and even edit. Number 7. Control drag to copy. If you hold the Control key down and drag an object, it makes a copy. This works for text too.
Number 1. Quick font size. To change the font size really quick, just highlight your text. After that, hold down the Ctrl Shift greater than, it increase the font. But if you holding the Ctrl Shift less than, it shrinks back down. The same thing as using these buttons up here.
Number 2. Vertical select. Normally, when you select text, it does order. But you can do a vertical selection by holding the Alt key. Once you have done that, then you can change the color, change font and the size, or do a variety of other things on that group of text.
3. Remove leading spaces. Text and you end up with spaces at the beginning. If you want to get rid of them, here is the quickest method. Highlight it, select bullet points, and then select it again to turn it off. That clears those leading spaces.
Number 4. Quick lines. Want to draw lines quickly into your document? Use 3 dash after press enter and it creates a line for you. Use underscore 3 times and press enter in its border line. Use equal 3 times and enter and it creates a double line. Three asterisks and you get a dash line. You can use multiple symbols right up there by the number keys. And you can get a variety of different lines quickly into your document.
Number 5. Page numbering. You can easily add page numbers to your Word document. Just go to the Insert tab and select Page Numbering. 4 options top, bottom, in the margins or at the current position where your cursor is located. Going to pick up top of the page, you can see the pages of the top of both document slides.
Number 6. Read aloud. Not only does Microsoft Word allow you to record your voice into a document, it will read it back to you. Just highlight the text you want to read. Go to the Review tab and click on the Read Aloud.
This is a test to my voice recording directly into Microsoft Word.
It also gives you an option here where you can change to a different voice and adjust the reading speed.
This is a test to my voice recording directly into Microsoft Word.
And that's it.